first prepare a 4-inch wafer and put the primary flat at the bottom and prepare tips. This tip is just later we will use that to align the weak point of the wafer edge. So to cut the wafer into square, first we will create a weak point near the primary flat. Use the tweezer to fix the edge so the wafer will not move. Then you can scratch many times as you like. So you can see the weak point at the edge. Then align the weak point with the tips and put the wafer above the edge of the proper tip. So the proper tip just support just that right below the weak point line. So then you can find the two tweezers. Use the other end of the tweezer to apply the force gently, and make sure you apply it symmetrically and gradually increase the force. Okay, so we finish one cut. Then second cut is if you want to cut around 10 to 15 millimeter, then you can create another weak point here. Scratch many times to make this primary edge there is a weak point. Then align the proper tip. Put the wafer right above the proper tip. And also apply the force and make sure they are equal distance. Apply the same force gently. So you get a strap. The next step, if you want to cut into the rectangular piece, then you rotate this strap and also repeat the process. Prepare a weak point. Use a tweezer to fix the strap so it will not move. Then basically it still repeat the process. Apply the force, and the contact point actually make sure you have a equal distance. So the final step is do another one. Create a weak point and put the tip below the sample, just right below the weak point, and press that edge of the sample. So you get one square. So that's roughly the process to prepare one square. If you want to cut the whole wafer into square, then you can repeat this process. Basically, they are same. Create a weak point, then apply the force at the both sides of the sample to make a cut. So it's a little bit challenging to cut the wafer in perpendicular direction to the, parallel direction to the primary flat. Here I try to demo a cut in the 90 degree compared with we cut at here. This is a little bit of challenge. I cannot make sure every time it succeed. So it's the same process. Just put the weak point just right above the tip end, and try to apply the force near the sample edge. So it's a little bit challenging. So we need to make this move a little bit, make the gap is a little bit high. Then try again. Luckily, I think this is good. So, for example, if we want to find make a square, then we can repeat this process. So this is a reasonably good square. Yeah. So all this remaining sample we can cut in the same way.